Morning, dear students. Today I am taking another chapter HTML. HTML Unit 2. Table and hyperlink. Unit 2 Table and hyperlink. This is the advanced features of HTML. Table are used to display data in a tabular form, that is row and column. Table contains row and column. They consist of rows and columns that are formed by the intersection of horizontal lines and vertical lines. How to create a basic table? The basic structure of an HTML table consists rows and columns, and different tags are explained. Table tags. The HTML table consists of the beginning table and the ending table tag /table. We can construct a row and cells between these tags. The first row start with the beginning row tag tr. The first row start with the tr. It builds the row by creating each cell with the beginning cell tag td and add the data for that cell. The cell can be closed with the ending cell tag /td. After completing the cells of a row, we can close the row with the ending row tag /tr. tr table tr td row 1 column 1 /td. td row 1 column 2 /td. That is, there are two columns in that row. Then /tr, one row is finished. Then again another row tr. Then data td row 2 column 1 /td. td row 2 column 2 /td. Then finish /tr. Okay. Then table heading and border. Table heading can be defined using th tag. Table heading tag is th. It is used to replace td tag that represents actual data cell. Th is the table heading. Border. It set the width of border around the table. If you do not specify the border attribute, the table will be displayed without border. Okay. If you do not specify the border attribute, the table will be displayed without border. That is, only display the data. Cell padding and cell spacing attribute. We can adjust the white space in your table cells by using the tag cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding represents the distance between cell borders, and cell spacing defines the width of the border within a cell. These attributes illustrated as HTML header, HTML title, HTML table cell padding /title /header. Body, table border is equal to 2, cell padding is equal to 5, cell spacing is equal to 5. Cell padding is the distance between the cell borders. Cell spacing, the width of the border within the cell. The width of the border within the cell. Okay. Then column span and row span attribute. Column span and row span attribute. Column span attribute merges two or more columns into a single column. Column span attribute merges two or more columns into a single column. Whereas row span merges two or more rows. Row span merges two or more rows. Table background. Table background sets the color of the table. Background color. Table background to set the background color. That is, there are two colors, BG color and body BG color. BG color and body BG color. BG color sets the background color of the table or just one cell. Body BG color sets the background color of the entire web page. Body BG color sets the background color of the entire web page. Table height. Table height and width. Set the width and height of a table by using width and height attributes. We can specify table width or height in terms of pixels. table width or height in terms of pixels or in the terms of percentage of available screen area. Example, HTML head title HTML table width or height slash title slash head body BG color is equal to yellow, table border is equal to 2, border color is equal to red, BG color is equal to pink, width is equal to 50% and height is equal to 50%. Note this percentage values. Width is equal to 50%, height is equal to 50%. Then TR beginning TD row 1 column 1 slash TD, that is first row column 1 data. Then next column 2 TD row 1 column 2, that is the first row column 2 data slash TR, one row is finished. Then another row beginning TR TD row 2 column 1 slash TD, TD row 2 column 2 slash TD slash TR slash table slash body slash HTML. Okay. Then table caption. The caption tag serves as a title or explanation for the table. It is a container element. This tag is placed just after the table tag and is optional to use it in a table. It is used only once in a table. Table caption used only once in a table. HTML code. Hyperlink to web page. Hyperlink is a reference to data or a piece of text or an image that is linked to another web page. Anchor tag. A hyperlink has an anchor that is located within the document. Hyperlink appears underlined on a web page where the mouse pointer is brought to a hyperlink. The link changes to a different color indicating. Hyperlink contains different colors. Anchor tag is a hyperlink that has an anchor that is located within the document. Anchor tag, the hyperlink within the document. It is represented as A/A. That is anchor tag. Reference, href. Hyperlink reference means href. href is the anchor tag and hyperlink. Anchor tag and hyperlink. Okay. Creating an HTML form. Form creation, it is a container tag and HTML programming. It includes various elements related with the form. You can create a form in a web page providing informations by user. This form is a systematic collection of information provided by the user. Form is a systematic collection of information provided by the user. The form tag is a container tag. How to create form? Body of the form slash form. The body of the form include various elements like text field, radio button, checkboxes, etc. First tag is input tag. The input tag, it allows you to create a field to enter data of your choice. The data entry can be done under type attribute of the input tag. Input is used to enter the data of in the data entry file. Text. It provide field to enter text element. Checkbox, it is used to provide different square boxes where more than one options are to be selected by putting tick mark. Radio button, the attribute is used to select only one of the given options by entering a dot in the circle. Submit, it is used to create a button where you need to submit the form. Password, it allows a field to enter a password to make your form personal. Reset, this button provides to clear the data from the form and can be filled in again with fresh information. Text input box, text checkbox, radio, submit, password and reset. Radio button, it is used to select one out of many options in the form. Checkbox, select a number of options in a given list of options on the form. Input type, checkbox, name is equal to value. Password. Password field is used to similar to the text field. The only difference is that entered text is visualized in terms of symbols, that is hiding from other users. These special symbols hiding from other users that protects your password to be viewed by others. Submit. The special button created that allows your form to be submitted. Reset. This button is created into reset form by clearing existing data from it. Okay. Then fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. A table is created by the intersection of horizontal lines and vertical lines. Intersection of horizontal line, that is rows, and vertical lines is a column. In a table, the horizontal lines are called rows, whereas the vertical lines are called column. Every row in an HTML table starts with the row tr and ends with the row tag /tr. An HTML table begins with a table tag table and ends with the table tag /table. The table heading is defined with the th tag in an HTML. In an HTML table, each cell in a row is created with a tag to store data. The attribute href is used to create hyperlink between two or more HTML codes. Href is used to create a hyperlink between two or more HTML codes. An HTML sets the height and width in terms of pixels or percentage. Pixels or percentage. Okay. Okay, students, please watch and study.